This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change the text tone on the Facebook Messenger app. I'll be using an iPhone SE for this, but the steps should be very similar on other devices. Let me jump over to my phone here. Okay, I've got my phone opened up now and I am on the Facebook Messenger app. To change your text tone on Messenger, what you need to do is tap on your profile icon in the upper left-hand corner. Then you will scroll down to where you see it says Notifications and Sounds, and tap on that. And then right down here, Text Tone. You want to tap on that. And it actually doesn't give you that big of a variety to choose from, but these are the ones you have to choose from. The default one is the Pop Ding, but then you have other ones. You just choose one of them. And that's how you change your text tone on the Messenger app. Thanks for watching.